Zimbabwe faces a fresh wave of crippling power shortages after the Zimbabwe Power Company ZPC announced that the Hwange Power Station Unit 6 has been taken off the national grid following a system failure, a setback that threatens to plunge large parts of the country into darkness. The total blackout looms as Hwange Thermal Power Station collapse is not going to subscribe or like out on the bell. The unit, one of the original thermal generating units commissioned at Hwange in the 1980s, has an installed capacity of 220 megawatts. Its sudden shutdown compounds Zimbabwe's already fragile electricity situation as the country battles persistent load shedding and aging power infrastructure. In a statement issued on Tuesday, October 7, 2025, ZPC said the affected unit will be out of service for at least 3 days, with the restoration expected on October 10, 2025. ZESA Holdings wishes to inform its valued stakeholders that Hwange Unit 6 has been taken off the grid due to a system failure, the company said. The unit will be out of operation for a period of 3 days and is expected to return to service on 10 October 2025. During this period, Hwange Station will continue operating with the 3 units in service. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this shortage may cause and appreciate your understanding as we work to restore full operation capacity. The temporary loss of Unit 6 comes at a time when Zimbabwe's electricity generation has already dropped to critical levels, with the total output frequency falling below 1,000 megawatts against a national demand of around 1.8 megawatts. The development raises fears of national blackouts and intensified load shedding in urban and industrial areas. While Hwange remains the country's main source of thermal power, it has long suffered from chronic equipment breakdowns, low core supplies, and poor maintenance. The recent commissioned Hwange Units 7 and 8, each producing 300 megawatts under a Chinese-funded expansion project, had been expected to stabilize power. However, frequent technical challenges and delayed maintenance have continued to undermine the production. Mashoko aripo panguva idoyo ari kuonekwa infrastructure aiwa yemagetsi munyika yeZimbabwe ava mambara chaiwo panguva yezvigananda. Pinda comment section bedu zvamafunguro emo todii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.